I don't know how well this is gonna zoom in. That crooked tree back there? Kind of weird. There's another one up the trail further. That one looks like it's died, snapped off. But there's another one up the trail a little bit that I think is still alive. But we'll maybe take a closer look at it. Sorry. I'm busy looking where I'm going and not so much at the camera. That tree right there. Fighting for sunlight. That's what I'd say. And I'm not real sure how far up the trail the next one is. I'm trying to keep a lookout for it. That's a vine. Let's see if it gets in a little clearer. Yeah, you can kind of see it. It goes up that way. And go. And they're everywhere. There's also one that goes right through there, up that tree. I think this is the tree. That's not the one I saw, but that's a different one. Not the orange tape in the background. Tree went up, it grows in front of that one, curves and flies out, and it's fighting for sunlight over here. Trees grow weird. All that brush laying right down there on the ground. See if I can find it and really show it to you. Where's the orange ribbon? Okay, so there's limbs and stuff hanging down, laying down on the ground there. If I pan out, I think right there, you can just see, maybe it's up higher, hold on, yeah, right there. You can just see there's a top of a dead tree, and that's the one with the ribbon on it, obviously. Cut up for firewood, for heat source. That's the way it is, but that's that pile of debris laying on the ground right there. There's another orange tape there. Just a dead tree. So in the wintertime, if you need wood, you know what tree was dead, because sometimes in the wintertime a live tree will look dead. Where was that other tree? Is this not weird? Okay. Right next to that ribbon, which I'm going to zoom in on so you can't ignore it. Okay? It marks a dead tree. It's a dead tree for firewood. Right over here, you get a tree. See it? There it is. And it grows, and it's underneath that. It goes up, comes back down. And I believe it has green leaves on it. That's weird. Zoom out, see it now? That's just weird. That's still not the tree I wanted to show you. But, Over there's a tree I want to show you. So let me just pan around for a second. And I'll show you this tree. I don't remember where I saw it from. Oh no, that's not the tree. Unless it's less curvier than I thought it was. Sorry. I don't know where the camera's pointed. I was picking another tick off of me. No, I won't show you because some people fear them, you know, and don't want to see them. I fear snakes. I won't show you them, trust me. Not unless it's something by accident. I might show you one 50 feet away on Zoom, and that's as close as you're going to get to me showing you a snake. I might show you a snake skin if I'd run across one. But I don't know where that crooked tree was. Maybe it was that one that wasn't as crooked as I thought it was. Because I swear it was right down through there somewhere. I didn't see it. Yeah, we'll film more. We gotta climb the hill. I know on these cameras, at least I know watching other people's videos, the depth perception and size is really, really not noticeable. So this is probably, I don't know, 35, 40 degree angle hill. I'm guessing, but that's what we gotta climb to get out of here. So that's what I'm gonna work on for a short period of time. And we'll walk and show scenery some more. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in. This is, I believe, the tree I was thinking about. It's almost like it's a half a heart. Is that not crazy? It's exactly what I see. I don't know how well you can see like that, but as I zoom in, you see what you see. To me, that's a half a heart. That's such a weird tree. But wanted to show you something else that I just find weird. Where am I going to be able to see it from? Right there. Okay. So it's probably center of the screen. I'm just going to zoom in. I don't know if you can see it, but I believe it's a branch off of a dead little tree, but it's a branch and it bends out and bends down to the ground. Weird. But the top of the tree is gone. It's history. I'm literally in the middle of the woods. You can't see. I mean, I can see quite a ways. I don't know how this is going to zoom in. Got you on a tripod, but I'm actually holding you in my hand. Does it help if I hold you on a tripod? Does it not shake? Weird. We're still climbing the hill. Yeah. I don't know if that looks flat to you, or if that looks like it's up a hill, but it's up a hill. And it's, like I said, 40, 45 degrees maybe? I don't know. Enough if I stop, I gotta make sure I don't fall back. Let's go backwards. Not necessarily fall, but... See, I think I saw that tree from here. And even from here... I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to learn this camera, but I think it's right there in the center of your screen. Doesn't look that like a heart from here, but it did from the other angle. Okay. Forging on up the hill.